Welcome back to another one, and take a look at what I've got on my desk right over here. 3 fans, but the most interesting part is that if I disconnect this one right over here, it's not working anymore, and if I disconnect this one right over here, not working anymore, and I could disconnect this one now. If I want to connect it back, boom, there we go, and if I want to connect this one back, there we go. We've got 3 fans, and we just one single wire. Now, if you build computers and if you ever touched hardware, you know that in this setup we would need for each fan 1 wire for power, 1 wire for RGB. So that would be 6 wires on your setup, and at this moment we just have 1 single wire to power these 3 fans, which is just awesome. Now, give me just a second. So I just disconnected the system that it's connected to, and now I will unplug this cable right over here. Now, if you are building your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer and you still haven't activated your license, don't forget to check out KeysFan, where you can find budget official OEM keys at an affordable price, and with the coupon code that you can see on screen and down below on the video description, it will get a bit cheaper. So just in case, the link will be down below. Now, back to the fans. These, as far as I know, are not available to sell individually. They are part of a pack, which is the Asus ROG Ryujin 3 360 ARGB. Now, we have seen this all-in-one cooler in the past, previous generations. It is a awesome cooler, and this one is a bit better. It has some improvements, but although it has a lot of features, the one that caught my attention while I was building a setup 2 weeks ago or so, and I've been testing it out, Asus setup, I will try to leave some parts down below, were the fans, which have this awesome magnetic system. And I will unplug these 3, and you can see on this angle right over here. So we have on each fan the connection on top, which is male in this particular case, and then here we have a female connection. So there will be no way to get it wrong, and we can just, I don't know what is the limit in terms of connecting them, but probably we would, okay, it did connect almost automatically, and it didn't just because of one little thing. It has magnetic on both ways, on both sides, but it has no connector here. So to connect, I need to put it this way, and bam, there we go. And there's only one way to connect to the source with this plastic here, and bam, there we go, connect, and it will power the 3 fans. At this moment the system is shut down. Now, really nice, and what I can say is that the experience has been great, especially because when we assemble a all-in-one cooler, regardless of the brand, we have at least 6 wires if we have RGB. So RGB and power, RGB and power, RGB and power. In this particular case, it was a really pleasant surprise. I was not honestly expecting this on the setup. So when I was assembling, I said, okay, where are the wires? No wires. Finally, a wireless fan. So hopefully, if you are building your own system, you will find this helpful. And if you are looking for an all-in-one solution for your system, then the Asus ROG Ryujin 3 360 ARGB might be a great option, especially because we see so many things that are very similar. But in this particular case, it's the first time that I see a system like this one. Now, if the video was helpful in some way, don't forget to leave that thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.